of July. It's 4:07 in the evening. This is the inside of the van and this is going to be our ride from now on, and let's kind of go around in this. And that's our little Sheru. He's not too well, so I've got to rush him to the dock. The husky is all right, so he's going to stay. Okay, all set to roll. So Sheru at the back, settling down, rain dripping through the roof. How cool is that, baby? Sheru boy? Yep. Nothing beats the engine rumble of an American V8. So enjoying July 7th as it rains, and we don't actually have wipers in the car. Wipers kaam nahi kar rahe. However, I do have a makeshift manual wiper. Okay, so on the road, and whereas the wipers ain't working, we're driving slow on Nishat. That's Bukhari left here, and we should be at Wet Umer's place in like a minute. Across the road, first right, across the road, overshoot, Reton Ghazi, first right, first left, and then it's the second right, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And Sheru seems to be doing all right. Let's see, I guess. Yes, and the battery terminal is bust. Leela hai bilkul. Tight nahi ho raha. It's tightened to its fullest. Or let's see. Thank you, sir. That's Jordan. आज तो वेट उमर की हमारी जो है ब्रदर की दुकान पे हम आपको पहुंचा के छोड़ेंगे, क्लिनिक पे. सॉरी, दुकान इज नॉट द राइट वर्ड फॉर इट. जमील भाई's क्लब K7. Ding ding dong dong. We made it here. That's it. ये इनका नाम है लेवाने, and ये हमारा लवन्ना. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. So good, so good. I got you. क्या होता है आगे इनके साथ. उतनी देर में आप रुकिए, हम आ रहे हैं अभी थोड़ी देर में. जब्बू साहब आप रुकिएगा, ठीक है, शुक्रिया. और हम अभी जाने लगे हैं गाड़ी का टर्मिनल करवाने, और ये वेट उमर की क्लिनिक, और ये वेट साहब खड़े हो जाएं, आप आ जाएं. आज हमने इनसे गाड़ी को धक्के लगवाने. ये देखिए, आज ये गाड़ी के डॉक्टर बनने लगे. रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स. और इसका हमें बैटरी टर्मिनल चाहिए. चलो कोकोमो, लेट्स गो. चलो बेटा, तुम्हारा टर्मिनल लेके आए. और ये चेक कीजिए, कोकोमो साहिबा, और ये डॉक्टर साहब, और ये कोकोमो, और ये वैन चल पड़े अल्लाह का नाम लेके. और कोकोमो साहिबा,
Several bad puns later.
हम पहुंच गए वापस, एंड कोकोमो साहिबा को लेने आए हैं. आइए कोकोमो साहिबा. Come on, dog. ये देखिए जी कोकोमो साहिबा
एंजॉय किया?
बैक आफ्टर अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक।
एंजॉय किया? वापस जाना? नहीं, अंदर जाना है कहती।
Eventually.
So done with dock. Jabru's all nice and clean. Sure, sorry Sheru. Time to head home. Okay मेरे भाई, खुदा हाफिज। Okay, Sheru. Okay, leaving Doc's place. Jabru's happy, and this looks better now since the rain has stopped. So शुक्र है कि इस वक्त ज़रा कुछ नज़र आ रहा है। Okay. Oh, that ball joint. Okay, Jabru boy, heading home. Okay, so this has been a nice ride all in all. कल इंशाल्लाह ताला देखेंगे, let's see whether it rains tonight or not, मगर अब हो भी जाए तो कोई बात नहीं, we'll be home inshallah, try and you know, stay safe on the roads. Slippery when wet, they say. We're on Khaiban Shumsher. Sorry, what's wrong with me? Khaiban Hafiz. Khaiban Hafiz. That's Khaiban Hafiz. And this here is Sheru boy, enjoying the ride. All nice and clean. Sheru, it's okay baby. Stay at a distance. Green light, stay green. Okay. The windshield so much cleaner. Thank God. Okay. Guys trying to run through a red light. Okay. And okay. So chale ji. So much for tonight, I guess. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Oh, done. I don't know tomorrow. Because I do shoot all these videos, yet I don't upload them. I hope I upload this one. Let's see. Lord help me. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.